Hi, I'm Alan Chai, Site Manager at Chai Pipes. Our new recycling isn't just about waste management. It's a vital cog in sustainable plastic processing operation. It's a crucial step towards fulfilling our commitment to sustainability and operational excellence. This ambitious project required technological innovation and domain expertise. TSM's contributions such as OptiFlake and feeders have been pivotal in achieving this approach. Their tailored solutions integrated seamlessly with our specific operational needs. Since implementing TSM solutions, we have achieved a 20% boost in recycling efficiency and a 15% drop in energy consumption, allowing us to refeed recycled material back into our core process. TSM partners with us at each step, from planning to execution, ensuring our systems integrated perfectly with our unique operational needs. Our collaboration has set a new course for Chai Pipes, making sustainability and efficiency the cornerstone of our operation. This initiative of sustainability reduced our carbon footprint, moving us closer to our sustainability goals. If you're looking to transform your business, then TSM Control Systems is a partner for you.